Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. No cat hairs. Okay, so I pre-primed this canvas. It was white. It's still white on the edges. And in order to have my lighter, brighter, more pinky reds show up, I need some white. So I'm thinking about just spreading some random white and then using it to put other colors on top of and hope that it kind of dries fast enough. I'm always talking about making a mess. This is supposed to be that. Sometimes making these marks reminds me of calligraphy, which would be good. And having them be a little off balance might be okay, because I can always come back and later fix anything that I'm unhappy with. I am going to wipe off my spatula. I am going to dribble paint. That's Dancing Fuchsia. And Red Violet. And some Blue Velvet. Some Frozen. I'm planning on smearing with my spatula. This is Fandango. I'm not sure where this is going to go. I may use a toothy tool if I have issues. This is a little bit of yellow-orange. I'm thinking pink carnation is needing a shake. And I might add a little more white. Oh, I pulled out the Wild Orchid, which has often reminded me a lot of the Red Violet. That blue needs something else right there. I've got Blue Flame. How close is it? Is it very? It's pretty close. Let's see, I've got Groovy Guava. I've got 2 shades of Groovy Guava because I mixed it differently. I like that. Getting to the point where I think I'm not going to need a whole lot more. I'm going to do the yellow-orange again right there. Now, if I smear this and I like what I see, I'm going to embrace the extra marks. This is Orange Crush. I'm just using colors I love. And I may or may not be doing the right thing. We'll find out together. I want a little bit more of something. What, Dancing Fuchsia maybe? And with that, some saffron. Let's see what happens. I'm going to use my smallest spatula. And a little bit more I need is white metallic. And while I'm at it, instead of the silver I was thinking about, I'm going to use some Decor 24 karat gold. Now I kind of like it, like I should stop and leave it alone. That happens. I'm going to take my color that's similar put it down at the bottom. It's going to be sort of, it's definitely an experiment, and it's going to be miraculous if it works out. But I can almost always work with even bad things, so I'm kind of hoping that it isn't one of those. I lost my red. I did not want to lose my red. The saffron is what I'm talking about. Probably going to leave some of these lines right in here. Might do what I just did again and join them up with something else. I'm always interested in scraping off the colors off my spatula because there's no use for me in wiping them away. Now I did that thinking that once I did that, I could do that. It looks like I can. I want some more orange, but I'm thinking I should wait. Maybe not. I want a little more orange here. I suppose I wouldn't even need to smear it if I didn't want to. I've got white and colors that need to go. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about it. It's kind of cool. And I did find my nail art tool, my favorite chisel tip. So I can add marks if I want to, and that might be kind of fun to do. I could add hearts in there, and it'd be a good Valentine's Day theme. Alright, somewhere here. Yep, there it is. A few dots never hurt anything. A few lines don't seem to hurt anything either. And using my residual paint as dots is kind of cool as well. At least I think so. I don't want to go too far. I don't think it needs as much as I'm imagining it does. Too much of a good thing is still too much of a good thing. I want a little more gold. I'm not afraid to borrow it. Although it's not borrowing if I'm not putting back, so let's just call it what it is, stealing. I think I'm going to steal a little more too. As long as it's deep, it shouldn't be a problem. A few little rough lines here and there. Drag some things out. Like I said, I could still put hearts in here. I'm not sure about that. But I know I can take it away if I want to. And use it anywhere I want, actually. I'm trying to push my envelope, get out of my comfort zone, and try and take more risks. So if you ever wonder what the heck I'm doing, that's what it is. That's all I'm trying to do. Just get down and get funky. That one's not working so well because there's white underneath. But I like it. It's fun. I want to put a little spiral in there. I don't know if I can or not. This is an old watercolor tool of my parents. Why not? I've got a couple other tools. One of them's handy. And that'll dot more easily. I don't think the silver would have been bad in here, but the Anita's White Metallic sort of serves the same purpose. Because it looks very silvery by the time you're done. I want some more gold, and then I'm going to call it, I think. Although those of you who know me know better. Yeah, I really like the dots. Sometimes I just start by random and decide if I'm going to change something. I'll do it after I see how it looks. I want some more green. Got some funky texture there now, but nobody's going to know I didn't like it for a moment if nobody tells them. Alright, that's a lot of fun. And it was all very, very spontaneous. And we're done. It's always a good idea to pre-prime some canvases, so if you're in the zone. Look at that. Ooh, it looks nice from up here. And I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my mixes, so the little puddles that are heavy, probably, good chance they won't crack. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.